Okay, hi, and welcome to part 2 of organizing my closet. This part is actually organizing the closet. So I put all the items. Wilson just decided he wanted to pull up in the bag. If that's what, since that's what y'all heard. And I just put, okay, so I put everything in the wash. I counted everything, and so once it's done washing, I can put it on the hangers. And so that's what's gonna go on the leftover hangers that I have. And then, well, that's kind of predicament. I'm trying to organize this. So I guess I have a tub of stuff, and a bunch of it is stuff that I took pictures of to post on Depop. So I guess I'll take the stuff that I'm gonna post on Depop and put it into this box that I have for now, and then put whatever is not on Depop that I didn't take pictures into the box, so I could get rid of my reusable Whataburger bag, so I could use it for groceries again and stuff like that, so it's not filled with clothes. Okay, I'm like talking to y'all like y'all are going to be, yeah, that sounds like a good idea, but I'm just saying my thought process. Okay, so I could fold this. And I also really need to get back on my Depop grind. Like, I feel like I haven't really posted any stuff because it's not like I'm trying to get something for it. Like, the last time I was consistently posting stuff was this like thing that I got into, and you had to post like 20 items a week, and then like they chose like 5 people to win stuff. But that was really only when I was like consistently posting stuff, and then after that I kind of just like fell off. Like, I still have these like a pile of dresses that I need to post that I'm definitely going to try to post today after I do all of this. So yeah, and then I need to wash this so I can put it in the box that I have. Oh, I also found a Winnie the Pooh piggy bank. It's so cute. I've been collecting Winnie the Pooh stuff for when me and Trey have a kid, so I could do their nursery Winnie the Pooh themed, but that's a whole nother topic. I just thought I would tell you. That's what I was doing. Okay, so let me go get the bin, and then we'll start organizing. Okay, so here's the basket or the bin that I have. It is filled to the max with some clothes, and it's all like jumbled. Sorry if you keep seeing a blue in the corner. I made like a makeshift tripod with my stool, shoebox, and sticker thingy. So yeah, so I'm gonna open the box. That's what happens when you make a makeshift tripod and then you kick it or knee it. Sorry. Okay, so let's open this up and let's get started, I guess. I'm gonna try to do this as like a time lapse. Let me like put y'all down lower so y'all can actually see what I am doing. There we go. I have gotten everything out of the bin that needs to be posted on Depop. So this whole box is filled with stuff that needs to be posted on Depop. There's a pile here and a pile here, and then this is the pile of dresses that I need to for sure get on Depop today, at the latest tomorrow. And then the stuff that's left over in here is stuff that I didn't take pictures of. So, and this stuff. And the stuff in here. So all of this, then all of this that's in my lap is gonna go in here. Fold it very strategic, oh my god, very compacted, to make it very compact, if that's the word. I don't know. But yeah, y'all get what I'm trying to say. It's been a long day. So let's get back to organizing this box. Okay, I had to pause my video, or my music. I'm noticing that some of the stuff that's in this bag is also fairly new as well, because I got it not last week, but the week before, and it was like my first time showing a lot of this stuff. And I'm realizing that I should hang it up so it doesn't go in this box. So yeah, that's why I'm hanging up some stuff. If y'all were wondering why is she hanging up stuff, that is why. So yeah, let's go back to filling up this bin. Okay, so it's like a few hours later. I finally finished posting all 8 of the dresses. So that is something. And then I probably won't do anything else because those took forever. Like, I know t-shirts wouldn't take that long, but it's just so time consuming and I don't feel like doing it anymore. And then the clothes that I just got that I thrifted today are almost done. So I'll be able to hang up those soon. And then that's pretty much almost everything. I might tidy that up. That's all the stuff that's on Depop. Oh my god, right there. So I might tidy that up and then fix this box so I can get all of those in there. And that is pretty much it for now. Just wanted to give you all a little update. Wilson is also still by my side, but yeah, just a little update for now. Okay, so here's another update. It's currently 9 o'clock at night. The clothes took forever to dry, and while those were drying, I organized all these clothes that I need to put on Depop. It's all in this box now. And then I watched some YouTube while I was waiting. So there's all of that stuff, and then I currently have like 3 items in the dryer because they were like white and light colors, and for some reason I've been having a problem with just throwing everything in the wash and put it on cold. So I just washed all the white items by itself. But I'm going to put this stuff on hangers and hang them up, and then I'll show y'all what the finished product looks like of organizing my Depop stuff, last Instagram stuff. So yeah. Okie dokie. So last and final update, and this will be the end of the video. So I finally, let me just turn y'all around, got everything hung up. So what I do, like I have these purses, so I hung these purses up here, and then I have tank tops, and then like short sleeves until, or 2 long sleeves, and then I have a pair of shorts back here that I just got, so I just hung those up back there as well. And then I have my radio, CD player, and then these are all the items that I need to fix, so I put them over here so I can see them. And then everything that is not on Depop and what's not going to go on Depop for now is in here. And then, yes, I had a bowl of popcorn. And then there's Princess, and then this is stuff that needs to go on Depop. And lastly, I organized all of this. So yeah. So, I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. It's a 2-parter. The first part is me showing you what I've gotten from the thrift store today, yesterday, and like I think a couple weeks ago, but I don't remember at this point now. But yeah, I'll see y'all guys next time. Bye guys.